Hey y'all, this is Lug&TugSawmill. I'm Brent. Today we're going to take some hickory slabs and turn them into a little bit of firewood. I built this old roller table out of a bunch of red oak and some slots cut in some red oak 1x. So far, I believe it's the 5th year for it, and it's still doing pretty good. We set it up a little bit closer to the sawmill this time. That way we don't have to move the slabs around quite as much, but these old hickory slabs are pretty darn heavy. We've been storing a bunch of firewood in these tote cages, and I think we burned 6 of them last winter, so we're going to have to refill some. These old slabs are heavy too. They're hard to get back up on top of that roller table. I believe the next time I fool with green hickory or green oak, I'll get the tractor with the forks on it to get them up on the table. And my old junk pile steel's not too sharp. I hit a nail with it the other day, and I don't guess I got it cleaned out good enough, and the drag's cut down quite enough, but I'll work on it again sometime. My neighbor gave me that old junk saw. It had a hole in the piston, so I put a $40 top end on it, and I think 2 different coils, and got a chainsaw for $40. We're around halfway into this thing. Now would be a good time to like and subscribe. It's just been unbelievably hot around here. We make it 90 or maybe a little better almost every day, and around 70 at night. I'm not used to this. That's too darn hot. I've collected a bunch of old stuff around here. There's Carol's grandpa's picaroon that he used in the sawmill, I don't know, in the 40s, I guess. I had to put a handle in it, but it's still a dandy tool. We got a bunch of trees down from windstorms this spring. Some hickory and some oaks, quite a few oaks, and some poplar. I'm going to try to put the good hardwood, oak and hickory, into a tote cage and save them for a couple of years from now for firewood. And the poplar will probably just go ahead and split it up kind of small and put it in the stack for the maple syrup wood next spring. We're getting pretty close to the end of this video. I sure am glad you came along, and I hope you'll come back and see us again sometime.